Hello everyone, this is Satvik and this video I will be showing you how you can add aliases to your command line, and this truly improves your experience while solving CTFs or while just using your Linux. So first of all, this is ZSH. So I'm using Kali Linux here, but if you're using Ubuntu or anything else, you might have Bash. So for me, as it's a ZSH, there is going to be a file within the home directory here. So if I do a pwd, you can see this is my home directory. So just do that ZSHRC. If you don't find this ZSHRC, make sure to see bashrc.bashrc. So these are hidden files. So this is like a resource file, so we can add some aliases. So to keep it simple, alias is like you can see my example here. Like, so instead of using a very big command or like very big command to do a certain task, I can add a small command which does the same purpose. Like for example, if I want to connect to my offsec VPN, so which I use this extensively for my OSCP prep, so I just run this command offsec VPN and it does this whole task. So I have like so many of them. I'll update them in my GitHub repo, so make sure to check that out. So like I do have some certain this is HTTP server. You guys already know that, I guess. And these are some stuff that I do. So when I'm doing some kind of boot to root machines, I do need some files. So it creates few directories and few files like a text files kind of thing, and power encrypt, and these are some stuff that I do. So I'll just try to add something simple. So alias ll equal to ls-la, simple. So whenever I do run ll, then this particular command is going to run. So Ctrl+S and Ctrl+X, save it. Now it's not going to be saved, or like this command won't work yet until you source that. So just do source.zshrc. If you are using bash, so make sure it's .bashrc. Now if I do an ll, you can see all the files here. So ls-ll displays every file, whether it is like hidden or not. So this is how you can do it, and you can add like several of them. Like you can get creative with that. You can example, you might be using some kind of a MSF Venom payload. You can just create a sample alias, and which does some of the tasks that you frequently use. So that is it for this video, and I'll be continuing the series. I'll be adding more and more in the future to this command line series. So do let me know if you have any suggestions for the next command lines related video. And thank you for watching this video till the end. This is Satvik signing off. I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.